What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is To Whom It May Concern. I am Franco Shy. All right, so this video is a little bit different. Not really, but a little bit different. Because this week, as you guys know, has been shit when it comes to the crypto market itself. Bitcoin took its biggest dive since the FTX crash of 2021 or 2020. Can't quite remember. Ever since, the pandemic, life, that point of time in life has been like, was it that time? Wasn't that time? You guys know. So it's been taking, it took a shit, basically. Right. And everybody, and I'm cool, calm, and collective because I've been in Bitcoin since 2019, 2020. And it's just part of the game. I didn't think. Now I'm gonna be honest. I never thought once it went over 100K that I would have another opportunity to buy. I think the low was 60, 62. I could look it up, but yeah, you guys know it's around that price. And so I never thought. And once it passed, once President Trump got elected, and it soared off, and it was 100,000 October this of 2025. It was at 126. I never, ever thought I would see 60,000. I thought we was out of the 4-year cycle. I thought it was a new trend, ETFs, so on and so forth. But we here. And this is okay. I didn't sell. I bought more. And people are probably gonna jump in the comments and call me crazy or stupid or whatever. But if you're on this channel and you like my perspective, if you like how I view buying assets, is whatever I put my dollar in, whatever I put money in, I'm a hold for the next 10 years at least, right? At least. And I've been practicing this since 2022. Due to the fact of past lessons that I've learned, of selling too early, being impatient, and it's just following the trend. So I'm totally into Bitcoin. I actually bought some more. I'm totally into XRP. I bought some more. I'm totally into Crow. I bought some more. Call me crazy. But this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what you should and should not invest in. I'm telling you what I'm investing and what I believe in. You should do the same thing. Do your due diligence. Do your research on your own. Don't allow this video to convince you whether or not to sell it or to buy. Never. I'm just here to coach you guys on what I'm doing, or coach you guys to start to invest, to believe in what you invest is important. But when it comes to this, it is what it is, man. Bitcoin's down. Okay, so what? Have fun. If you're not having fun with investing in the market, or if it doesn't get you excited, or if it causes you anxiety, I don't think being in the market is for you at this time. I think it's for you overall. I think you just need a better outlook, a better mindset before you start to invest in a volatile asset, especially such as Bitcoin, or just stay to indexes. The Nasdaq, the Dow, the S&P 500, those type of things that doesn't have as much volatility into it. But if you're looking for the next wave, then I think it's cryptocurrency. I think it's Apple. I think it's Google, Microsoft at its infancies back in the early two. It's like the dot-com boom. I'm not going to say what other crypto assets you should invest in. Look into that for yourself. But I really do believe in my soul. In my soul, think about that. I really do believe that Bitcoin is going to outperform all the traditional assets in the future. Point period. Period. And I know people like, but what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital property. Bitcoin is superior money. Bitcoin is economic energy. Bitcoin is monetary network. Bitcoin is all those things into one, and that's why I invest in it. And I don't. I'm a U.S. citizen. I'm a patriot. I love my country. I really do. I really do love my country. But the dollar is shit. I don't trust that dollar. It's been inflated, and I don't like my purchasing power to go down like that, man. I mean, I remember you could buy quarter waters, quarter juices. I remember when a bag of chips was 25 cents. The 25 bag of chips is small was 25 cents. Now they a dollar, maybe $1.25. I don't know because I don't eat that. I don't eat small bags of chips. I ain't gonna say I don't eat chips no more. That'd be a lie. But yeah, man, gotta do your research, man. Stay cool with it. If you went to cryptocurrency and use Bitcoin in particular, I'm here with you, and I'm not going nowhere. Call me. We see where we at in 10 years. We see where we at in 2025, 2035, excuse me, 2036. See where we at, man. And if you can't deal with the volatility, if you need your money today or tomorrow, rather, right? If you whatever you invest and you need it to be readily available, you should not be investing that money. Period. All right. So if you got $100 that you invested, but you need $100 for your rent next month, hypothetically, right? Because rent is more than $100. Stay with me, right? I'm a land this plane. Invest the $100, man. Like if you everything I purchase via stocks or any type of investment, man, I'm holding for 10 years, man. Especially if you guys are young out there. Now, if you're a little bit older, maybe 5 years is your time horizon. Maybe 7 years is your time horizon. But you gotta give it enough leadway to turn around and do its thing. Like that's any asset. Even if you invest in an Apple, even if you invest in a Microsoft, like I've done these things before, it will take a dive on you. Period. Now, maybe not as big as Bitcoin dive, but a dive nonetheless. And so I'm here to say, if you've done your due diligence and you truly know what Bitcoin is to the future of money, if you believe in that, that's all you need. And don't let anybody on the internet or one of these social media outlets convince you otherwise. You made the right decision. I believe you made the right decision. When you bought that said asset, you believe you made the right decision. And don't let nobody change that. I'm Franco Shy, and this is To Whom It May Concern. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.